Hello, in today's video, we will learn how to connect multiple database using PDO method. And in the previous video, I told how to use PDO method to connect the database. And I have given the link of that video in the description box. Okay. Right hand side my database and left hand side my editor. First start PHP code and end $db1 host equal to localhost and host name for the first database $db1 name equal to, or we add the admin here, admin, and name of the first database $db user db1 user equal to root username for the first database, same $db1 pass equal to blank semicolon, password for the first database, same, copy this first database connection, paste here, and db1 refresh the 2. And db name is admin here, and I input wrong database here. For example, the API, second one is API II and save, and write try connect to the first database. First database $db1 equal to new PDO. Here we use PDO method. MySQL colon host equal to copy $db1 host and paste here, semicolon, db name colon and copy first db1 name, paste, and comma pass db1 user and db1 pass, $db1 user comma $db1 pass, semicolon end, and $db1 set attribute attribute PDO attr underscore error mode ERRMODE comma PDO : error mode underscore exception, exception, exception and semicolon, and echo connect to the first database successfully. And one beer tag here, and copy this connection and paste here. The second db2 host, one, two, save and connect, echo connect to the second database successfully. Catch PDO exception $E and echo connection failed, colon space dot $E get message, and save. Web refresh, connection failed, SQL state unknown database API. Here the write or modify the database name and save and refresh the page. Connect to the second database successfully. Thank you.